Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really fun box card for you. This is my back to school box card. Isn't that cute? You got the backpack there in the front, those books and all the different school supplies kind of bursting out of the backpack. It folds nice and flat for mailing. Of course, there's a piece on the back for your message. I include an envelope as well. This card is super cute, and you could totally customize it to your school colors. I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. Okay, here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you don't have an account on my website, you can go ahead and click the sign up button. You'll be taken to a page that has our different membership tiers. We have free, basic, and premium memberships. You can go ahead and choose which membership is right for you. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. I'm going to go ahead and put in my credentials and log into the website. And now we're logged into the website. To access the files, you can head to the Files tab on the main navigation bar. Now this file is free for everyone, so free, basic, and premium members can all access this file. Free members will head to the Free Files tab and find the project there. Basic and premium members will head to the File Library and find the project there as well. For this project, you're going to want to look for number 314. That is the Back to School box card. Go ahead and click the download button. Download the file to your computer, make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. If we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that the project has been brought into our canvas, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. We need to do a few things as far as the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Highlight the score lines, change that to Score, highlight the group, and attach. We need to do the same thing for the box piece as well as the inside tab piece. So let's highlight the score lines, change that to Score, highlight the group, and attach. And then that inside tab piece, highlight the score lines, change it to Score, highlight the group, and attach. So we have 3 different sets of score lines for the envelope, box piece, and inside tab piece. Once all of those have been converted, you can go ahead and click Make It. I'll be using the mat for this project, and you'll see the different mats for this card. Go ahead and click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that we're going to do is assemble our box piece. So we're going to go ahead and fold and burnish along all of the score lines. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add glue along this tab right here. And then go ahead and fold the box onto itself, just making sure that I line up the edges the best that I can. Go ahead and fold it the other way to make sure that everything folds nicely. And there we have our box. I'll set that to the side for a moment. We can go ahead and mat and layer our messaging panel together. And then we can go ahead and attach the messaging panel to the back of the card. All right, we'll set that to the side to dry. Now we can go ahead and mat and layer our inside tab piece. You're going to start with the lighter blue, then the purple, and then the darker blue. Okay? Before we layer it up, I'm going to go ahead and fold and burnish the score lines. I'm going to fold those away from me. Go ahead and burnish those. And now we'll go ahead and layer up the design. I do have a layering guide within the download to visualize how to layer everything together, so I will refer you to that. Okay, so there's our inside tab piece. Isn't that fun? I'll set that to the side. And now we can go ahead and layer up the front cover panel. So the front cover panel is going to be layered with the light yellow or the cream, orange, red, and dark blue. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the inside cover panel to the card. Okay. And now we can add our inside tab piece. So I added glue to either side of those tabs, and I'm just going to place that inside the box, making sure to line up the edges at the top, and then just make sure that we're even on the bottom as well. Okay, just like that. And now we can go ahead and add the front cover panel to the front of the card. Oops. And there is our fun back to school box card. I'm going to set that to the side for just a moment. I'll show you how to make the envelope. For the envelope, we're just going to fold and burnish along the score lines. You can add glue along the outer edge of the inlay panel. Place the inlay over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around, fold those side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom edge of those side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And then that forms our envelope. And there is our back to school box card. Isn't that cute? Isn't this super fun? I love the style. I love that little backpack. It's super retro and really fun. I hope that you like this one. If you make this card, make sure to post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. I will see you at the next card making video. Bye.